Aid and Relif Center for their ceremony and prayer for the peace, prosperity and stability for both brotherly country, Pak Saudi Bahai, Pak Saudi Dost Zandabad, Pakistan Zandabad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. This project to build, about 1,000 housing and 300 school, and will be built for it's big, it's a store for the logistic, will be for the NDMA. This project, about 14 million dollar will be inshallah for this project. And the King Salman Center here in Pakistan, we make a noble service for the brother country in Pakistan.
We are extremely grateful for the generosity and the support. His Majesty, the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Mohammed bin Salman, they're always very generous, they're always very supportive, and the contributions made by the kingdom for the support of Pakistan in the past 75 years is praiseworthy.
At the moment, related to the health and education, and for the warehouses, we're going to contribute in those warehouses. It is 5 projects, and that's we will reach up to 14 million US dollar for those projects. And that's, I think, details of those projects. You can look at it in details, and we will continue supporting the authority in Pakistan in the coming future.